it's me, Gator. I've just started hiking the Benton MacKaye Trail. I've been hiking for a little under an hour now, and I've just reached Owens Overlook. I left Springer Mountain like a mile and a half ago, and can I just say that Owens Overlook is way prettier than the top of Spring Mountain. Spring Mountain is, you can barely see, but it's just gorgeous. There's all these little hills and all these mountainous hills, and they all have little tufts of clouds coming out from in between each of them. Just beautiful. Okay, I've just reached the Toccoa River Suspension Bridge. I think I've gone about a little over 15 miles now. Just gotta cross the bridge, and then I will turn around and head back. There's other people taking pictures. And the bridge is swaying. Ooh, the water is pretty. I'm standing in place. Ooh. Ooh. You can't tell, but it's bright green just from the moss underneath it. Okay, so I've paused for a bit. I'm just north of the Toccoa River Bridge. Yeah, here it is. Getting pretty tired. A little later than I wanted, but so my plan for today is I started out at the parking lot by Springer Mountain, and I hiked 0.8 up the Appalachian Trail to the Benton MacKaye Trail. Technically starts at the top of Springer, which is like 0.1 farther, but I've done that a couple times now, that 0.1. So I hiked to the Benton MacKaye Trail, and then hiked all the way to here, and I'm gonna turn around and start heading back now. In 7.4 miles, the trail will overlap with the Appalachian Trail. It overlaps a few times, and it's actually going to be shorter to get back to my car by taking the AT back. It's going to cut off a few miles, so I'm not doing 15 and a half out, 15 and a half back. It's closer to like 13 or 12 and a half, 13 on the way back. So that's good for me. Yeah. My old arch enemy, stairs. I just love being on a ridge, even if it's not very well exposed from it. See, it just kind of hills down on that side, and it disappears down on that side. Just kind of up on the middle, and it's not really a hill, it's just, I guess it kind of goes down that way. I don't know. And then the Benton MacKaye blaze. So, is this its name, or does it really not have a name? I don't know. That's about it. Continuing on. I think I'm coming up on something. I'm excited. It looks like a meadow. I know I passed a meadow this morning. It feels like it's taking forever to go back, which it often does. Yay, it's a meadow! My throat kind of hurts, so I'm not gonna sing. Okay. One direction. I should go slower. And the other direction. Continuing forward. And I've reached Limbsville Falls again. I didn't stop right here on my way up, on my way out. But I'm checking it out now. And I'm gonna stop and fill my water bottle. I still have water to drink. I just gotta make it accessible and then keep on hiking. Oh, those stairs are pretty. It is day 2 on the Benton MacKaye Trail, and I'm not feeling very well. I think I've caught a cold. Kookaburra. I am, let's see, yesterday I hiked a little less than 12 hours, which was 27 miles. I got back just before dark. Today I had planned on hiking 28 miles, and I knew I'd have to leave a little bit earlier, and instead I left like a half hour later because I was really tired. I wasn't feeling so good yesterday. I was worried I was catching the cold, and I think I still have a good amount of energy, but it's affecting my lungs now, so it's getting tired of breathing, not necessarily just walking, but of breathing. So I don't want to walk 14 miles away from my car just to realize I'm at that point that I'm too tired to walk back to my car. So I think I'm gonna cut it short today, cut down my miles. I've gone 3 miles so far. Probably gonna go another like 2 miles and then turn around and walk back to my car. Look how pretty. Sunshine bright. The trees. Just barely see over there. Let's go for a walk. Ooh, butterfly. Into my neck. Watch the ground a little. Pretty little flowers. Hey, so you can probably tell now that I'm not on the Benton MacKaye Trail anymore. I was hoping to go out for 5 days and hike about 66 miles of the trail. Instead, I hiked about 19.5 miles of the trail, but it was out and back, so it was, you know, almost 40 miles that I actually hiked. But I did catch a cold, and I was feeling worse and worse while hiking. I was trying to stay close to my car, so just like hike out from my car, smaller section, then hike back, then move my car. But when I got to my car to move it, I had a flat tire, and of course I forgot to bring my tire pump, so I had to put it on the donut and go to the closest open tire shop, which is like an hour away on my way home. So I just went home, which was probably good because I continued to get worse the next few days. I was hoping to be back out on the trail by today, but it just
didn't happen. I'm going out of town tomorrow night anyways, so like I'd rather just try and heal as quickly as possible and not worry about it, you know. Like, the trail is only like 3 to 4 hours from where I live, so it's not too bad. You know, and I'd rather go out and enjoy it and not just try and kill myself even though I have a cold. I'm still proud of what I was able to do. I mean, 40 miles with a cold, yeah, I'm pretty happy. So, maybe some other day I'll finish it. If not, oh well. So, I was trying to hike the portion of the trail from the southern terminus to the Pinhoti Trail, however you pronounce that, Pinhoti. But that's, I didn't quite make it. So, yeah.